Plant family, 72 genera in Amaryllidaceae. The allure of Amaryllidaceae, a plant family close to my heart. Ferb here, sharing my fascination with the Amaryllidaceae plant family, a group of flowering plants that have captured my attention for years. As a dedicated gardener and plant enthusiast, I find the Amaryllidaceae family particularly intriguing due to its diversity, beauty, and unique characteristics. Amaryllidaceae, a brief overview. The Amaryllidaceae family comprises over 1,600 species across 72 genera, native to tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. These plants are known for their bulbous or rhizomatous growth habit, strap-shaped leaves, and showy flowers borne on leafless stalks called scapes. The flowers typically have 6 tepals, 3 petals, and 3 sepals that look alike, arranged in 2 whorls, often with a central corona or cup-shaped structure. The Amaryllidaceae family boasts a wide array of genera, each with its own distinct characteristics and charm. 9 species in genus Assis, 8 species in genus Agapanthus, 78 species in genus Allium, 2 species in genus Amaryllis, 116 species in genus Crinum, 25 species in genus Galanthus, 23 species in genus Hemanthus, 116 species in genus Hypistrum, 66 species in genus Hymenocallis, 2 species in genus Lycojum, 29 species in genus Lycoris, 166 species in genus Narcissus, 27 species in genus Nering, 24 species in genus Pancratium, 191 species in genus Zephyranthes. See full list at monsterholic.com. My personal connection with Amaryllidaceae. My love for the Amaryllidaceae family stems from my childhood experiences in my grandmother's garden. She had a passion for these plants, and her garden was always filled with the vibrant colors and unique shapes of Amaryllis, Hypistrum, Narcissus, and Crinum. I spent countless hours exploring her garden, learning about the different species and their care. As I grew older, I began to cultivate my own collection of Amaryllidaceae plants. I find their diversity and adaptability particularly appealing. Whether you have a sunny windowsill, a shady patio, or a sprawling garden, there is an Amaryllidaceae plant that will thrive in your space. I am particularly drawn to the unique flowering habits of many Amaryllidaceae species. Some, like Lycoris and Zephyranthes, bloom suddenly and unexpectedly after a rain event, adding a touch of magic to the garden. Others, like Hypistrum, produce large, showy flowers that demand attention. The future of Amaryllidaceae. The Amaryllidaceae family continues to fascinate and inspire gardeners and plant enthusiasts around the world. New cultivars and hybrids are constantly being developed, offering even more choices for those who love these plants. As for me, I will continue to cultivate and admire these beautiful and diverse plants. I am excited to see what the future holds for the Amaryllidaceae family, and I am confident that they will continue to bring joy and wonder to generations to come.